Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The sun is out, which means it's officially time to jerk. So in today's video, we are showing you how we cook some authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Okay, so let's get into the video. For our seasonings, I have some regular and Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken and some aromat seasoning. I have some black pepper and a jerk seasoning blend that I picked up when I went to Jamaica last year. I also have some sugar, ginger, a scotch bonnet pepper, white onions, an Oxo Cube and some garlic. I've got some dried thyme, bell peppers, white and malt vinegar, spring onion, pimento seeds, a can of red stripe beer, and then some tropical sun jerk paste. The majority of the ingredients we have here is to make up our homemade jerk marinade. The natural seasonings are key to the authentic flavor you're looking for when making jerk chicken. So I have about 15 pieces of chicken and I'm using the leg and the thigh. I began cleaning my chicken by removing the guts and the fat. I like to leave my skin on when I'm cooking jerk chicken, but that's just a preference. I know others that cook it without the skin too. It's completely up to you. I then left the chicken to soak in vinegar, salt and lemon juice for around 15 minutes to take off the rawness. Okay, so now we're going to make up our marinade. I'm going to chop up some onions, my bell peppers, some ginger and spring onion before adding them to the blender. Now my chopped ingredients are in the blender. It's time to add the white and malted vinegar and some sugar. And then the powdered seasonings that I mentioned earlier, along with the tropical sun jerk paste. I also added some thyme, a veg stock cube, and a handful of pimento seeds. As always guys, the quantity for the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. I blended my seasoning for around 1 to 2 minutes, and once I was done blending my seasoning, it looked like this. This is the type of consistency you're looking for. So before I add my marinade to the chicken, I went ahead and seasoned them with some garlic salt, some mixed spice, aromatic seasoning, Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken, the powdered jerk seasoning, and some regular all-purpose, along with 3 teaspoons of the Tricolour sun jerk seasoning. And now it's time to add our homemade marinade. I haven't used all the marinade we made as it wasn't needed, but any left over can be frozen and used for another time. I rubbed all the seasoning into the chicken and also made sure to rub it under the skin too. When I was cleaning my chicken, I used my knife to make little holes in them. This is so we can get the flavors from the seasoning right down to the bones. I then left the chicken to marinate overnight. So here I am the next day preparing my grill before I begin to jerk my chicken. Now our grill is well lit. We are going to place our chicken on top, skin side down. Also make sure when you're placing your chicken on, you hear it sizzle. That's a sign that your grill is well hot and ready to jerk. It's been about 15 minutes and I'm back to my grill to turn my chicken. Okay, now that our chicken is turned, I'm going in with the red stripe beer. This helps to keep the moisture in the chicken so it stays nice and juicy throughout the cooking process. Whilst my chicken is cooking, I'm here frying up some festivals because they go together so good. So about 40 minutes later, I came back with a bottle filled with the leftover seasoning that my chicken was marinated in, and I added that over the chicken on both sides. You want to keep seasoning your chicken throughout the time it is cooking, just to keep the flavor going. I left my chicken on the grill for another 10 minutes and now our chicken is well jerked and ready to eat. I'm just giving my jerk chicken a chop before serving it to my guests. I have my jerk sauce on the go to complement this delicious chicken. I definitely have to show you guys how I make my jerk sauce. The combination of the sweet and savory sauces really bring out the flavor of the chicken. Guys, I cooked up a feast for the family. I made some pepper prawns, rolled up some festivals and fried some plantain. I wasn't done there. The next day I cooked up some rice and peas and whipped up some coleslaw and paired it with my jerk chicken. And yeah, here's my plate looking so nice and delicious. Let me know in the comments what you like to pair your jerk chicken with and what other recipes you would like to see on our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine.